This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Warm welcome to you to issue number 38 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. This issue we get a big metal part with the copyright information on there. Gone in 60 Seconds and Eleanor are registered trademarks. And the copyrighted Eleanor star car character are owned by Denise Shakarian and Alex, and licensed by Eleanor Licensing LLC. It's a big thing. Eleanor's a big thing. So yes, this is what we've got. Another metal part of the frame, which we're adding to the part that we've been working on the last couple of issues. It fits on there basically like that. And that's the middle section. So we've got the rear and then the front. Obviously, we're going in front of it because that's the way the front goes. This is held in place with 4 screws, which they supply, no doubt, 5 screws. So let's get those out from there. This is going to be another quick build episode because basically, how long does it take to put 4 screws in? Not very long, I think. So we'll put them in there. Now, I'll do them in any order I like. I'm not going to bind myself to put them in the same order that they say to put them in. But I will say, as with all of these, it's never a good idea to tighten up the first screw you put in. You should always put all the screws in, make sure everything does line up properly before tightening up all of them. So, yeah, let's get them all in. They all seem to be lining up so far so good. They're pretty much located. You can't get it wrong. It sounds like a challenge, but no, I don't think it's possible to get this wrong. So they're all in, so now I can work my way along and tighten them all up. You do need to make sure these are secure because otherwise your car will be wobbly. You don't want it to be bendy in the middle. It won't be much use if it bends in the middle, as they say. So let's get that done. That is the last in this month's delivery of Eleanor. So if you want to see more Eleanor, you'll have to rewind and watch one of the previous episodes again. But if you want to see something else, then there are plenty of other part works on this very channel. So have a look through. So you might find something different that will catch your eye. I've done and am doing several cars from movies. So if you like this, you might find something else. The XO1 from Ghostbusters, Kit from Knight Rider, the DeLorean from Back to the Future, all happening or have happened. So have a look around, see what catches your eye. But that is now that. So far so good. I shall have to find a new shelf to put this on now because it's got bigger than it was when it was in the box. So that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you soon for more things. Bye bye for now.